Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making something really delicious. We are making Nutella pie. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar. For the crust, we have graham cracker crumbs and butter. For the filling, we have Nutella and cream cheese. Some graham cracker crumbs here. You can buy them crushed, or you can buy them as regular graham crackers. Put them in a plastic bag, leave a little bit of the plastic bag open, and hit them gently with a rolling pin to crush them, or you can buy a ready-made graham cracker crust. You can also do the same thing with Oreo cookie crumbs. You can use those. They make a nice crust for this too. Now you can see I have this butter pressed on the sides of this little bowl. That was just to help it soften up faster. Getting butter and graham cracker crumbs. Go in with my clean hands and squish the butter into the crumbs. Just like that. It's pretty easy. The butter needs to be softened. Room temperature is best. And you just want to keep squishing it in there. Until you feel like it's mixed in very well. Nothing to it, guys. I like a buttery graham cracker crust. Now we have a pie plate here. Push the crumbs into the pie plate and flatten it and go up the sides. And this is going to give us a little crunch. Then you can take the bottom of a glass and press it into the bottom of the pie plate. And after we get this together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator. Now we have our pie crust out of the refrigerator, and we're going to mix up our filling. But before we do that, we're going to spread some Nutella on the bottom. I have a cold bowl. Here's the same bowl that I use with graham crackers. And I'm going to pour in some cold, heavy whipping cream. The bowl was just chilling in the refrigerator. And then whip this up. And as I whip this up, I'm going to slowly add this powdered sugar. All right, guys, we have our whipped cream. I'm going to take a cup of this whipped cream and remove it. I'm going to cover this in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, guys, now we're going to make the filling, and this is pretty easy. We have a bowl here, but what we're going to do is add the cream cheese and get our Nutella in here, our hazelnut spread. Now this is the Nutella and the cream cheese. I'm just mixing it with this hand mixer until it's smooth. Nice and smooth. So I'm gonna get this off of this and into this. All right, here's where we are. We have our Nutella and cream cheese mixed together in this bowl. And I'm going to take our heavy whipping cream mixture and put it in here. Now I'm going to fold the heavy whipping cream into the Nutella and cream cheese mixture. Now this is a very sweet dessert. A little goes a long way, but it's delicious. And that's just the color you're looking for. The color lightens up. Now we're just gonna fill the crust. And spread it on. And another way you can do this is have little dessert dishes. Sprinkle some graham cracker crumbs inside. Add some of this Nutella mix that we just hooked up. And then put a little whipped cream on top of that. And you can have some very nice individual desserts that everyone will love. But use small dessert cups because again, this is very rich. You're gonna wanna let this chill in the refrigerator for at least 5 hours. For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Thanks for watching. Share my recipes and my videos. And if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.